Kent State College has issued a flood warning for the Swatara Creek at Harbor Tavern. From late Wednesday, stage was 1.1 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Thursday morning and continue rising to a crest of 14.2 feet Thursday evening. Impact at 9.0 feet. Several driveways and other minor roadways are affected. Water begins to enter some basements. Impact at 10.0 feet. High water isolates several houses. Impact at 12.0 feet. A number of secondary roads are closed, resulting in some evacuations. A few homes are flooded. Impact at 14.0 feet. A number of homes along the creek are affected. Some evacuations are necessary. Impact at 16.0 feet. Most homes adjacent to the creek are affected to some degree. Numerous evacuations are necessary.
Whoa, doubleheader.
The National Weather Service Kent State College has issued a flood warning for the Swatara Creek near Hershey. From late Wednesday night until further notice. At 10:45 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 2.1 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Thursday morning and continue rising to a crest of 2.1 feet this afternoon. It will then rise to 11.9 feet Thursday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact at 7.0 feet. The right or north bank begins to overflow. Several roadways upstream of the gauge are affected by high water. Impact at 8.0 feet. The right or north bank overflows. Several roads are affected. Impact at 10.0 feet. A few homes adjacent to the creek upstream of the Route 39 bridge flood. Impact at 12.0 feet. High water affects several homes upstream of the Route 39 bridge. FEMA 10% annual chance flood level 10-year flood. The 8 to 14-day outlook.